All right. Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, November 9th. It is 11:18 a.m. And as of right now, we are looking to short ES here. We're not in a position yet. We are looking to short. So I'm going to use this opportunity to explain why I'm getting short. Reason number one, this this 10:15 candle here closed below this 10 o'clock candle. That's signal number one. Signal number two, we were below the moving average. Signal number three is once we break this candle low, the low of the day, right now, we will be below the overnight lows here. We will be below that. So that's reason number three. I'm getting short and I'm looking to catch that momentum. So our entry is going to be 43.80.50. My stop is going to be 44.07. And my target is going to be 43.80.50. So my entry is going to be 43.88.50. My stop is going to be 44.07. And my target is going to be 43.80.50. Okay? So we're going to watch this and we're going to see how this trade play out. Yeah. So once we get in this trade, we can go from there.
Order filled.
Alrighty. We are in
Stop filled.
shorts. We are in our shorts. So now we are short ES. 2 contracts. We are short 2 contracts in ES. We are in at 43.88.50, exactly where we wanted to get in at. So that's where we at for today. Excuse me, I'm sorry. So that's where we at. We're short. And again, Powell speaking today as well. So I want to be nimble, be cognizant. I'm going to be out all trades at 145 at the latest. But hopefully we hit our target before that. If we hit our target, we should profit somewhere around 16 points. That's if we hit our target, we should profit somewhere around 16 points. But again, we're going to see how the trade play out. Another thing, I got my orders in the market already. I got my stop and my sell order in the market. Shout out to Holden Trades. He made a video for me yesterday, November 8th. Shout out to you, my boy. I seen it. Young trader. I'm interested to see where you are from a year from now. But yeah, shout out to you. Thank you for making that video. That was one of my biggest issues dealing with Tradeovate. But today's trade day video, trade replay, is going to be released at 4:31 p.m. Again, you're gonna see some frustration that I was dealing with that. So you made that video in perfect time, my brother. Anywho, appreciate you for that. I'm also going to be going live this Saturday during the evening. I don't know the exact time, but you guys, if you got any questions or comments you want me to answer, put them in the comment section. I'm gonna read them out, or if not, I may not. Who knows? But for sure, I'm gonna go over moving averages, how I use them, and Saturday in the evening, sometime after 3 o'clock. Don't know exactly. But shout out Holden Trades. We gonna just see how this trade play out. Entry 43.8850. Target 43.80. Stop 44.07. So let's see how this trade play out. Another thing, today is day number 3 of the trade day evaluation. So hopefully if I don't forget, I'm gonna put my results at the end of this video. I haven't been doing that lately. I keep forgetting. I'm not used to doing it, but trade day evaluation, eval number 3 as well. Alrighty, real quick, we just added another position. We added another position. We are now shorts 3 contracts. 43.87. So now I'm trying to get these orders in. So we are short 3 contracts of ES. I added to my short position. My stop for this is going to remain the same at 44.07. And my target for this contract is 43.75. I need to get these orders together real quick, but stop is going to remain the same, 44.07. And my target is 43.80. And my target for the new contract I just entered is 43.76. Okay, so let's see how this trade play out.
Order filled.
I was stopped out for some reason on Tradeovate. I didn't put in that order. So let's do some research. I think the trade day close the trade. What happened? Let's see what happened with trade day. The Tradeovate, I meant to say. Technically, I still should be in. I never changed my order. I'm still in on my personal account. So trade of 8. Let's see. Okay. So I did some investigation. I sent a message. We shall see what their response is. However, I am still holding my position in my personal account. So, yeah, same 3 contracts that I was holding, same order. I got in at the same exact time I did on the Trade of 8 platform. So this is what trade day should have been seeing. I was executed on this candle, on this 11:15 candle. So maybe if they daily, you got an intraday trailing drawdown of 2,500. I don't know. We have to see, because with their advertising, it doesn't say that. But anywho, again, in my personal account, in the real live markets, my stop wasn't hit, wasn't tested. This may be put me at up here, may put at 2,500 intraday drawdown, maybe. But who knows? We shall see what their response be. But this is one of the benefits of trade your own money. There's no one to answer to but the markets. So you put your order in and you let it be. I mean, that's the best way I can explain it. So we're going to watch TradeStation for the rest of today's trade. And I will get back with you guys tomorrow, Saturday, matter of fact, when I go live, to see what trade day says. If the intraday drawdown was 2,500, I would approach this a completely different way. But if it is, it is, and then I will adjust accordingly. So again, that's trade. I'm done with trade day for today. We just gonna watch TradeStation, and we're just gonna continue to watch this trade play out. Real quick, Trade Day has responded, and they said trailing max drawdown is executed in real time on unrealized profits. The limit is calculated at the end of day balances. Please review the rule here. He put a link. So it's on video. So I'm going to include all this in the video. Remember, my stop was 44.07. I was executed. I also got, I'm not going to go to the email. I also got an email saying daily maximum drawdown was hit. And I don't understand why. So if they say it's down 2,500 for the end of the day, I'm expecting them to get me to the end of the day for me to be down 2,500. Not when the market goes trailing drawdown of 2,500. That's not what I thought. He said it's calculated at the end of the day. And that's what I'm expecting. However, they auto execute. So Again, this is an email they sent me. Real broken. So that's what they said. So I'm still gonna wait for him to return, but to respond. Next thing is pull up Tradeovate platform. So the high on this candle right here is 4405.50. So again, I'm gonna go back and make sure that my orders are where I thought they were also, to see if it's a fraud on my own. But when you look at my trade station, my trailing max drawdown, I would have, if it's 2,500, I should have been stopped out on the day at 12 o'clock. But the position was sold here at 11:15. So a lot of things is not adding up. And at that time, the high of the day at 11:15 was 4402, 5 points away from my target. So again, I'm still trying to figure it out, and get to the bottom of this. But we gonna monitor as things go. And again, as you see, my real account is in the real world. That is, I'm technically still in the trade. So again, so you sit here, wait, watch. I'm gonna put my stop back at 4407. So you sit back, wait and watch. And we still gonna see how this trade play out. But again, it seems like that's one of the downsides of trading with a prop firm. You may have to figure out their rules. You know what I'm saying? Instead of just knowing your rules and applying by those rules and those rules only. You know, you gotta go by they put some extra layers on it. So again, I'm still trying to figure out how that thing go. And I don't want to add no more contracts in my real account, but because I want to see exactly how much will be made. But right here, again, we will have to wait. You know what? Yeah, let's wait for this candle to close real quick, and then I'll talk about it. So just give it a few more seconds. It's closing soon. 30 more seconds. It's close. Well, it's gonna close below this candle. Okay, so what I would do if I didn't want to see if everything was going perfectly fine and Tradeovate didn't execute that order, I would add here. Believe it or not, this is an add-on position, add-on signal right here. I legit would add on to my trading, but it's kind of like I'm dealing with Tradeovate. So what I would do is I would add here 2 contracts. No, yeah, I'll probably put 2 contracts. I'll probably do 2 contracts, but just to be safe, I would add 1 contract here at 43.90. The break of 43.96. I would add here, and I would be selling. So let me put it up. I would add on this break here, and my target on this trade would be 43.91. That'll be my target. No, it'll be 43.92. So I would make 43.92 my target. That'll be the trade. So a quick 5 points you would get here, and then that would have, again, even if, again, we're just gonna wait and see. Keep this hypothetical in question, okay? Based off my strategy, and again, I follow my strategy to the T. 44.95.75 would be my pitch. You know what? Screw it. I'm going to. because I mean, I'm not making money with trade day, so I make some money on my own. It's not to prove I'm the greatest trader in the world or something like that. You just need to understand your system and your strategy. So I got the order in. I'm gonna take it. I'll deal with trade day later. So I'm gonna add to my position here on 43.95 break. When that break, once I get into that position, I'm only gonna add one contract also. Once I get into that position, I'm gonna bring my stop down a point. Just because I'm following my strategy as supposed to. So once I get in, we'll go from there. And again, I would be entering the same exact trade on Trade of 8 as well, but you can't right now. So again, we're gonna monitor this trade. Again, if I'm not at my target before 145, I'm gonna sell wherever it's at. So sit back, watch, monitor this trade, see what trade day is. All right, so we are filled on that third contract. Again, we're not going to make much, just $65 on that contract. But again, we're still holding until at least 145 for 43.79 to get hit. But again, this is how I trade. So that's one third contract. We're gonna get out of that. It's 43.91.50. Again, we still gonna hold for 43.70. So let's see how this trade plays.
Order filled.
Make a dream come true. What can
Order filled.
Alrighty. So we are all out at target before 145. Again, I would have stopped out if I would have hit 2800 on the eval, but again, I don't know. But again, that position should not have been sold. Today would have been the day I would have passed the eval if that position was not sold. So I'm gonna call it the day there because Power do speak at 2 o'clock. Hold on, I'm doing some math. We are up 30 points on the day. So again, if that position wasn't sold, would have been a nice, beautiful, profitable day. Plus 30 points in my personal account. And we're just gonna call it a day there.